Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to automatically rename a payment method when the number of products in your wholesale customer's cart is exactly equal to a certain amount and apply it only to a specific group of wholesale customers. For example, if your cart is having exactly 50 number of products, then you can rename this check or demand draft to the golden member check payment. So let's see how we can set up this. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. For setting this up, I'm using B2B Order Limit app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. After installing the app, open the app from the Shopify admin panel. Now you can go for Payment Role section. Now click on Create New Role. You can name your role as you wish, like I'm adding rename payment method for golden members. And if you have any descriptions to add or any additional notes on why this role for and why this role does, those things you can add up here. Let's say like rename the payment method when the product count in the cart is equal to 50 only for the golden members. So in case of customer targeting, I'm targeting a customer group of customers with tag called gold. If you need this to be available for all the customers, then go for the first option. Otherwise, you can also select the customers who has spent some above limit of amount. And in case of order conditions, I'm adding the product count should be equal to 50. So you can add multiple conditions on clicking add conditions so that you can add as much number of condition as you want. And if you are adding multiple conditions, you can also choose the match type as any condition must match or all condition must match. So if you are choosing any condition must match, then the rule will check for the given conditions. If any of one is satisfied, then the rule can be applied. Otherwise, for all condition must match type, the rule will check for all the conditions to get matched to apply the action. So in case of action type, what I'm doing is the renaming the payment method. So we know that the payment method which we have given is the check or demand draft. So I'm giving the exact name here, and this should be renamed to gold member check payment. So this is how it should be renamed, and adding all the details. Make sure that the status is active and then go for saving it. Now let's try this out in our online store. So we know that my cart already having 60 products, and let's try to check out, and this is my golden customer details. So I have added my golden customer details, and this cart is having 60 products. So the name is still in the check or demand draft since the condition is not matched, because the cart should contain only 50 products to get this renamed. Now let's try with 50 numbers. Now you can see that the check or demand draft payment method has changed to gold member check payments, and I have added my golden customer details here. Now let's try some other customer details which are not tagged with gold. Now even though my cart is having 50 number of products, I'm added my non customer details. So the payment method will be showing as check or demand draft as the earlier. So this is how you can rename the payment method for a group of wholesale customers based on the number of products in your carts. So while you're waiting for this, grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.